Making sense of demonstrative adjectives. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into the world of English grammar fundamentals, focusing on one of the crucial aspects of adjectives: demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are special words that we use to indicate specific things or people in a sentence. This, that, these, and those are the demonstrative adjectives in English. They answer the question, which one? Let's start with this and these. We use this to point out a specific person or thing that is near us in space or time. For example, this book is mine. We use these for the plural form, like in, these apples are delicious. Now, let's move on to that and those. That is used for a person or thing that is farther away in space or time. For instance, that house at the end of the street is beautiful. We use those for the plural form, such as in, those days were unforgettable. Let's put them into action. This shirt fits me well. That child over there is my nephew. These biscuits are homemade. Those trees in the distance are pine trees. Remember, when using demonstrative adjectives, always consider the distance and the number, singular or plural, of the objects or people you are referring to. That's all about demonstrative adjectives for today. They might seem straightforward, but they're an integral part of English communication. This, that, these, and those can help you express your thoughts more specifically and clearly. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these adjectives as effortlessly as a native speaker. As always, happy learning, and see you in our next video.